in the grass. Gunner, come.
Oh my god, you're so big! His legs! Oh my god. Cash isn't used to having an older dog be energetic.
I saw you with
Not that he's old.
Yes.
You miss me? Gunner! How did I not know this back porch area? Oh, because it was snowy last time.
He's so full of energy. Gunner, I think you're overwhelming him.
Yeah, just stay in the flowers.
Gunner, come! Gunner, come! Good boy! Now you can play! Gunner's used to Remy, who's that size. But Remy plays rough with him.
What's up with dog's gravitation? Gunner!